recall that when my father undertook his visit in 1984, when it was a trip where I accompanied him, in fact. It was the first time that I came to Brunei. We were warmly received by Your Majesty. Back then, my father spoke fondly of the affinity between our two nations. As a young man, I have witnessed not only the close ties between our families, but also the growth in our bilateral relationship that was shaped in part by my father and Your Majesty during those early days. The Philippines cannot forget that since then, Brunei Darussalam has come multiple times to the Philippines' aid. The country recalls that during the pandemic, Brunei donated test kits and vaccines to the Philippines. When we were struck by record-setting typhoons Yolanda and Odette in 2013 and 21, Brunei was one of the countries who donated hundreds and thousands of dollars to assist our disaster relief and